Hello fellow nerds, in today's video I have an awesome one for you. This is OK Zoomer and it is a zoom pointer magnifier. So I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, I can make it transparent, I can make it less transparent. And I am going to show you how you can download this for free, completely for free. You just go to RandoTechNerd GitHub RandoTechNerd OK Zoomer. You can see that right here. And then you're going to scroll down just a little to this releases. You're going to click on releases, and then you can download the .exe, which is right here. Once you open that on your computer, you'll be able to hold down Alt, and you will have this zoomer for you right on your desktop. You'll be able to toggle these settings. So if you just go down here, you see that little green dot that turns red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Right click it, click settings. You can change all your settings in here. I won't go through all of them. I'll just let you know that stealth means that like you can't see it in the recorder, so you probably shouldn't be seeing anything right now. If you click it on standard record visible, you should see it. I'm going to click apply and save and just show you that. And then if you want, you can try that trip setting on your own. It's just a kind of glitch I found that I thought was cool. Enable control is so that you can just hit the control button. And this is a feature that's actually there in Windows, but it just brings attention to your mouse. And then there's your pointer styles. Normal is just your regular normal one. Hidden, you don't see the mouse at all. This is great if you have like problems with seeing. You can actually then just use this, the hidden one, and you can actually use that to kind of amplify your screen and help with seeing things. There's laser, which you saw, and crosshairs, which is kind of fun. You can also turn on this spotlight mode or turn it off. This means if you can see the rest of my screen, if I turn it on, the rest of the screen looks tinted, and it just brings a little bit of a more focus to your pointer. So this is really good for people who need help with presentations or have need accessibility for being able to see. You can change the colors of it. So there we go. It's pink and the crosshairs. If you are really like it, you could buy me a coffee. If you also, if you're into tech and 3D printing, consider subscribing to the YouTube. This link right here just takes you to the GitHub, and that is my GitHub. Thank you so much for watching. I really like this project. I had a lot of fun with it, and I think it's going to actually be really helpful for a lot of people. If you want, you can go to randotechnerd.com. So let's just go randotechnerd.com, and you can see all the other projects I've made. There are a ton of them. A lot of them are like model generators or just fun little toys. Like this one makes business cards. This one's like a AI slot machine for imaging. This one is like a design trainer tool. These are ceramic printing tools. This is a knob generator. So if you have a knob that you want to make for one of your projects, this is kind of fun. The other one on there is Jacket Oracle. That's for like weather and weather related things, so you can tell what you should wear for the week. So here's just a little preview of knob generator. Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you so much, and I will catch you on the next one. I just really wanted to show off this cool little project that I made that is free and that you should download and share with somebody who might appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you nerds on the next one. I have a Discord too if you want to join it. We talk about nerdy stuff like 3D printing and tech, and we all learn together. All right, bye nerds. Good night. It's late.